stand erect, keep about 4 feet distance between your partner. Stand in a staggered fashion, where one stands ahead and the other slightly behind. Arms raised at shoulder level. One partner turns the right toe out. Hinge from the hip towards the right side. Right arm reaches the shin or ankle or the floor, whichever is comfortable. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Gaze at the left arm towards the ceiling. Come out of this asana slowly and repeat this on the other side. Partner is doing this on the left side. Hips stay facing forward and head should be maintained in a neutral position. You should feel the stretch in the right inner thigh and left side of the lower back. Stand erect with your feet together and facing each other. Inhale. Hold the right ankle with the right palm and pull the leg towards the hip. Both the knees stay together. The left knee stays straight. Exhale. Keep the left knee locked and lean forward as you reach, clasp your partner's left arm. Lift the right leg higher as you lean forward and reach to hold on to the partner's shoulder. Come out gently and repeat this on the other side. Keep your navel gently pulled in to balance and hold this position. You should feel the stretch in the hamstring. Gradually lift the leg up depending on the flexibility. Stand erect at the end of the mat while facing each other sideways. Inhale and exhale. Step forward with the right leg in a lunge position. Knee bends at 90 degrees and the thigh parallel to the floor. Left foot stays flat on the floor. Arms straightened out at shoulder level and palms facing down. Gaze at the partner. Hinge forward and place the right palm on the inside of the right foot. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Left arm extends over to clasp partner's left forearm. Inhale, reach the clasp and exhale. Press into the right heel to come into the starting position. Repeat this on the other side. Look up from under the right armpit towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch by pulling the partner's arm and pressing into the outside of the back foot. Sit erect in Sukhasana facing each other. Sit close to the partner so that the knees touch each other. Wrap your right arm behind the back while the left arm extends and reaches out to grasp the partner's right forearm. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Straighten the spine and gaze over the shoulder. Breathe normally in this position. Release the grip and change sides. Press into both the hip bones as you twist and hold. Maintain normal breathing pace. Gently tighten your abs. Keep the collarbone wide and neck long. Sit erect in Sukhasana facing each other. Palms placed on the thighs. Now stretch the legs out in V position. Feet stay flexed and touch the partner's feet for support during the hold. Knees face up towards the ceiling. You can soften the knees if the hamstrings are tight. Clasp your partner's forearm with the palms. Arms are shoulder width apart. One partner hinges forward slowly as the other leans back and pulls using the arms. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Roll up gently from the spine to sit up tall as you now help pull the partner who is leaning back. Switch the roll as your partner hinges forward and you lean back. Come up slowly and release your hands and come back to starting position. Be seated on the sit bones facing each other, palms resting behind for support. Knees bent, feet flat on the ground and toes touching each other. Clutch the palms together outside the feet. Inhale, lift one foot off and touch the balls of the foot and then the heel. Exhale, press the soles into each other and keep the knees softly bent. Inhale, now lift the other foot off and let the soles touch each other. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Exhale, press into the soles firmly and try to straighten the knees as much as possible. Sit tall from the lower back. Bend the knees and place them on the floor one after the other. Sit erect facing away from each other at a distance of 3 feet. Legs straightened in front of you. Palms placed next to the hips. Bend your knees and keep them together. Feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly till you feel in the abs and lift both the legs off till the shins come parallel to the floor. Toes pointed. Keep the navel pulled in gently to engage the abs. Squeeze the knees into each other. This will engage the inner thighs. Now lift the palms off the floor and reach the arms out in front of your chest. Hold this position for 10 seconds. You should feel this in the abs. Avoid the asana if there is a pain in the tailbone. Start by lying flat on your back, hands by the side of the body, knees bent, and place your feet such that one foot is in between the partner's feet. One partner gets into Setu Bandhasana by lifting your hips until the thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Hip width apart, the hands pushing down into the floor to lift the chest and pelvis. And the other partner places their soles onto their thighs just above the knees. Release with an exhalation, rolling the spine slowly down onto the floor. Come back to the starting position. Sit erect with backs touching each other from tailbone to the upper back. Legs are straightened in front. Come into Padmasana or Sukhasana. Inhale and exhale. Twist from the torso towards the left side, placing your left palm on partner's right knee and right palm on your left knee. Hold this position for 10 seconds and breathe comfortably. You should feel the twist in the mid-back region. Release the twist and do this on the other side. Keep shoulders down and away from the ears. Once completed on both sides, release from Padmasana and slowly straighten the legs.